Hi, it's Tim Quast for Market Structure Edge, and we're continuing through this BCD concept: broad sentiment, context, divergence. Broad market sentiment helps us manage risk. Let's go right back to that. Here's the dashboard. I'm clicking broad market sentiment, and I want to point out the little green squares. See those little green squares? Now, it's historical data, but that's when options expire. And you'll notice that oftentimes it's a turning point. If the market has been falling, options expire, the market rises. The market has been rising, options expire, it falls. And that's why context matters. You don't want to have your money exposed to a period of time where it may you may lose it, right? That's what we're trying to avoid. We want to make money. We want to take gains, not chances. So these little green squares you can find ahead of time by going over to marketstructureedge.com, which I've done here on my screen. Go to resources, look at the expirations calendar. I'm going to click that, and we'll keep this up to date for you, but this will show you the options expirations date. So for instance, say we're talking about November, we can look and say, the 16th, 17th, and 18th of November are expirations dates. We want to be where? What's broad sentiment doing right then? Is it diverging or converging? Because it will tell us what's likely to happen. And that's very important. That's context. We'll continue now with divergence.